Hi, I'm Anna. I'm the patient coordinator at bemedicalservices by Dr. Friday. Mommy Makeover. This surgery includes lipo 360 with the fat transfer to the back area, which is the BBL. It also includes the tummy tuck and the breast lift with breast implants. So this is why it's a major surgery. We work on all of your body. What type of patients are candidates for this type of surgery? Patients that have had babies, patients that have stretch marks, or patients that have saggy skin. And remember, you will see the final results 3 months after the surgery. So for a consultation with Dr. Friday, if you are a local patient, you can come in person, meet the doctor, and speak with him. For out-of-state patients, we have two options. You can send us some pictures and the doctor consults them. Then we reach out via phone and you speak with him about the surgery. Or we can also schedule a FaceTime consultation with the doctor and he'll go through with you on how to pose, what he thinks is the best option for you, and then we provide a quote as well. One concern that a lot of patients have for this type of surgery is how they're going to feel afterwards. That's why we have the post-op recovery package that would include your stay here in Tijuana from 8 to 10 days. So you have to have that in mind that you will be under our care for a long period of time. We also would include the post-op medication that you're going to take, the post-op faja, post-op bra, the BBL pillow, and in the recovery house, there's a nurse taking care of you 24/7. We include your meals as well, and the transportation from San Diego to Tijuana back to San Diego. And in your post-op care package, you can bring a companion with you, and their stay would be included at the recovery house. But a lot of patients come by themselves and we take excellent care of them. So to get started on this journey, click the link below and we will reach out to you.